You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV. It's full of pain, but we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist where you always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts, we always say it.
What's jammin', Shark Mouth Squad? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Rap Sesh. This week we are doing a showcase of a custom project reveal. What were we wrapping? Things and stuff?
A Mercedes C63 AMG, right?
We are wrapping up a Mercedes C63 AMG. This was our first time ever using the Inozetek film. If you guys go search our YouTube channel, last week we dropped an episode which is basically like our first genuine review of our first experience.
Just of us using it.
Using this film. It's also got a lot of really good tips, tricks, pros and cons. Really breaks down how we feel about installing this color change film. It's newer to the market. A lot of people are interested in it. There's a lot of hype around it. So if you want that information, make sure to go check out our last episode.
Yeah.
But we wrapped it up. We did a full color change in the Inozetek Gloss Khaki.
That one.
This one.
It's a nice color.
You can get these books on their website at inozetekusa.com. I'm not going to spell that out for you because it's a hard word. I don't even know if I'm saying it right.
It is a hard word.
Inozetek.
Inozetek?
Who knows? Who knows?
Some people, yeah.
We also did a gloss black dechrome. Was it gloss black?
Yes.
Yep, we did a gloss black vinyl dechrome. We did a full frontal, so fenders forward. We did that in GSWF paint protection film. So that was a platinum gloss clear bra that we did over the top of the wrap. So we wrapped the whole front end twice.
This one.
And I think we wrapped some emblems. Was that about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple emblems, but yeah, that card turned out really awesome.
Oh, so crispy.
The film was different.
Crispy like chicken.
It,
Sorry. I had to say it.
Love chicken.
Chicken good.
Chicken good.
Chicken good. Chicken.
Okay, so check out the car, guys. We hope you enjoy. thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our project reveal this week. If you guys want to get your hands on these awesome possum films.
Whoa. Dude, this one's metal.
It doesn't slap like I wanted it. There you go. That's the noise.
That's what I wanted.
That's what I wanted. You guys can reach out to Inozetek and GSWF.
Oh my God.
Stop being so cute. Stop it. Make sure to follow us on our daily fun at Vinyl Vixen Wraps and Wrap Sesh AZ. If you guys want to get your car wrapped by us, we'd love to wrap for you. You can hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig. Ooh, I just